This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Are we on the right page? It looks like we're on the right page. Give me a minute. I'm scrambling here. I think I got into the trade too early. 28. Oy. No good. No good. I read it wrong. Let me join the ass. Get out there. Okay, I'm down 958. Okay, scrambling again. Third time I'm taking this trade. And third time I struggled with it. Now it's gonna go. It's okay. We'll try again. We'll try again, but this time we'll do it the official way. Let me see what we got here. 12 and 7, that's good. We just got a long trade. At 29. Okay, well, I should have entered. I tried. I was creating a new banner. Let me see if I can get in at a better price. Well, fuck off. We're at 34 already. Shit, damn. 35. $31. We didn't get to 36. I can still potentially enter the trade. I'm scrambling. Where is it? Wow, and it's long at 35. Geez, there were so many entries. Okay, we'll enter one here. What did we get in at 33? Oh, that's okay. 33, a little bit better. Wow, 50, 100. That's a 200 point. I don't think I agree with this. I'm sorry. I can't take this one because the volatility was high. I have to get out of this. The volatility it's too high. The reading is too high. Where's my ATR? I'm supposed to have an ATR. I can't take that amount of risk. Not on the first trade of the day. Gotta keep it small. Okay, so now we're waiting. Where are my lines? What is it? What's going on every time it resets? It's kind of very annoying. Let's get a couple hours here. Let's see. Let's see what it does. There we go. I got some trend lines on the screen. Now that's a system. Hold on, we can do more. We can do better than that. How about that? Yeah, does that look like I know what I'm doing? Who's that, David? How you doing? Well, that was a beautiful trade. Such a shame I screwed it up on the entry, really. It is what it is. At least it worked. That's all that matters. That is what I'm tracking, how often it works, and it worked again beautifully. Nice, strong open. What are we at? 24,851. Watch us end up going to... Omnius, is this R2D2 or 3CPO? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, I got a new system. Forget Tory's trend lines. There is no Tory's trend lines. There's 6, 7. 6, 9. What's 6, 7? Go hit the like button. Give me like lots of reactions. Let's go, baby. Let's get this thing going. Did you see my thumbnail? That's Omnius inspired. You told me make a new thumbnail. Let's promote it. Look at my title. Hey, I worked. I was scrambling. I had to make supper. And then I was scrambling. Got the title. Read my description. We're all entering the official NinjaTrader 400K competition. Click here to join. Look, I have links again. Finally, YouTube. I didn't see it. But here's a twist. We're also running a private futures floor. Oops, should have said futures floor Omnius trade. Side challenge to see how our crew stacks up against each other. Think of it like a competition without a competition. Everyone trades in the same NinjaTrader event, but we track the results inside our own Discord to see who dominates the leaderboard. Want in? Join the futures floor Discord. Drop your NinjaTrader competition in the blah, 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 blah. Discord links. I hope they work. And there we go. This video contains music from Shutterstock, licensed by Navir. Okay, let's get rid of all those stupid trend lines. That was fun. There we go. I'm not sure how many hours I need to get a good amount of trend lines, but I like these trend lines. You just got to find the right mix. I think that's the right mix. So like 6 hours, I think 6 hours is the good mix. Problem is it's hard to see. But there's a guy, Omnius Trades, I'm at a soccer game. Go, Omnius! Are you goalie? That means you have your phone. If you're at a soccer game. So I'm going to send it to you on the Discord. Plus you sent me a message. I didn't see it yet. So let's go here. Let's go read your message. Dear Mike, no luck on the computer. If you think it wasn't too bad today, it's up to you. No, it was great. Are you kidding me? It was good. It was good. Let me give you my upload a file. Open. Okay, there's my, there's the thumbnail that you said. You said, work on a thumbnail. Promote it. I'm promoting it. Yeah, it's too bad you're not streaming tomorrow. You should be streaming. You should be promoting it on your channel too. You can use the same thumbnail, just change the text just a little bit, you know, move the elements around. I could make you one. I could change the podium, make it Omnius Trades times futures floor. You know, maybe competition inside a competition. Just make it a little bit different so you're not, you know, it's not an exact copy. So YouTube doesn't complain, doesn't have a hissy fit. So we went up, we came back down. If we get a bullish Heikin Ashi candle, I'm going to take it. Right now, let me go to general. Upload a file over here too. Oh, I need my title. Disable. Copy. V. Copy. V. What happened? Oh. Looks cool. Okay. It could say sponsored by NinjaTrader. I think technically it is. No, because then GPT says that we're implying it's not sponsored by NinjaTrader. They're actually running it. It is their competition, and they're not sponsoring us. So I ran it all through GPT's legal team. And that was the wording, the best wording. Inside, because it's an inside look. Are you in? You know, we're all entering, and the description, we're all entering the official NinjaTrader 400K competition. You don't want to make it look like they're sponsoring you or you're affiliated with it. Nothing like that, nor that you're giving away any prizes. Good morning, Floor. Good morning, Omnius. Good morning, Skeletor. Good evening. I wish there was a way to put like just a little bit less trend lines. I do a little bit too many. I like the auto trend line drawer, but they put in too many. Trend line? No, support and resistance. This is the trend line drawer. There we go. But you want the same NinjaTrader. But you want, I don't know, hold on. But you want it the same NinjaTrader, their competition. What's up, Skeletor? I don't get that sentence. You want it the same. Well, I don't want to put NinjaTrader on my thumbnail, but I put it in the title. Competing inside the NinjaTrader 400K competition. Anyways, I mean, you know, if I make you one, I'll put what you want. I like it the way I did mine. I put Omnius. I put the trend lines for you. The trend lines. I know you like to see all those trend lines. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, let me get rid of it. It's not funny, Mike. Turn it off. There we go. I missed a wonderful, phenomenal, like 20, 25, 30 point trade off the open. Shit, and I tried to get here. It's amazing how every one of those trend lines work. Let's just buy one here because my stop is again far away. Very far away. Come on, fill me, you pecker. And we got to get over, I don't know. You know what? I have this kind of system. Oh, yeah, let's see how I'm doing. Deal me in. Wow. I have some information for you, Mr. Omnius. You really, really, really have to write it down on your hand and remember. I'm going to direct you. I don't even have to do it. I just have a button to press. It's so cool on this wealth charts. There you go. Kaboom. And it draws the spider web. Seriously, someone came up with that as an indicator and thought it would be a good idea? You gotta be kidding me. Really? Okay, well, if we get a bar under 800, I only took a one lot. If we get a full bar under 800, I have to get out. Yep. Wow, you know what? That 30% threshold, believe it or not, it gave me a little bit of stress. And the fact that they put it on the chart now and you know where it is, that's really fantastic. So I went from wanting to poop, we'll use the word poop, I went from wanting to poop on wealth charts to actually liking it. And somehow that 2-second delay is not bothering me so much anymore. Wow, nice run up and a nice run down, eh? Let's see if we can get an up bar and get a move back up. Well, I hope I don't take a huge loss on this. Okay, tracking back up a little bit. What do we got for volatility? 12. 12. That's pretty good. Volume I don't see, unfortunately. So, and Bulenox. Let's get up my order screen. I will try this account. And we'll try with some 2 lots. We'll take some shorts in Bulenox, even though I'm long. I have a bit of a headache. Come on, really? You give me that tiny little Ikenashi bullish candle and that's it? Now all you're doing is going down? I'm actually going to start my day off red. Omnius. Oh shit, hold on. Okay. Wait a minute, I'm in a short in Bulenox. I got in late. I chased by 3 points. Instead of getting in a better price, I chased by 3 points. Fuck, I can't see it. It's small. Maybe if I do increase the size of my browser. Whoa, that was a nice little dump. Come on, film me. Film me. There we go. Okay. Are we under 800 yet? How much am I losing over here? Omnius trades. I don't think our team losing it. I'm laughing at that. I think you should tell them. You think I should tell them? Yeah, maybe. I remember my kids when they played soccer. It was the same thing. The whole fucking game was on our side. We lost, like, we never had a goalie. So it was always some player who didn't want to play goalie that played goalie and was afraid of the ball. So let's start with that. And then, I don't know. I think we used to lose, like, they used to stop the games. You know, like the mercy rule or something. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. If I entered there, yeah, I got to get out of this trade, eh? Okay, join the ask. There we go. That's a loser. Down 22 on that account. That's a bad start. Hey, slow down. You know what? Honestly, wow. I swear to God, I try all these different systems, you know, while I still do my Renko system. Like I'm doing this one here with the trend lines. It's, I forgot the name of the guy that does it. He does very well with it. I like the logic of it. You know what? But nothing is as good as the Renko system. Just the way you can get in at a better price and how you know exactly where to get out, both on the winning side and on the losing side. Of course, we're going to run back up. Where did I get out at the low? So you heard what I said, eh? Remind me, I got to show you some stuff on how to... I'll message Tori, see if we can get a picture for our trendline video. You leave the poor girl alone. Hey, where is everybody? I sent out a message. I should have 100 people in the room by now. Everybody's eating. I was in Methodical Man's room before. There was only 30 people. I said, wow. And Red Candles was in there. Well, that really sucks. Use ice cubes. Oh, yeah, I was saying, so we got Bama, Mike Stunts, Butter Stunts, and me in the Discipline Mastermind group, so it's kind of closed. You want in also? So we'll either do if you don't want in, we'll do it the four of us. If you want in, and you know, see what it is and what we're working on or whatever. Let me know. I'll sign you up also. I'll put you down. I'll write you in, whatever word. Number 1. Number 2, don't forget to remind me to show you that thing with the accounts. How to steer your account in the right direction. All I can tell you is when I looked at it today, I said, oh my goodness. My account was all wrong. Is it in the right direction? My account, and it is now. I mean, I have no idea what you do with your account. So I just know that mine was all screwed up. Fuck you. Call this. I hate when that happens. We didn't get a red bar? Don't you fucking dare do it again. There we go. It's break time. I'm going to go tell him to use the other side of the field. Be right back. Okay, we're going back up. Let's see, how do I draw my own trend line on the 5-minute chart? Drawing tools, lines, ray, trend line? Oops. talking to Omnius, telling him to remind me of some stuff. Okay, well, the sound check worked. Stupid fucking thing. I swear to God, there should be a light. There really, you know what? Aggravating. There really should be a light. Did I miss a trade? I may have missed a trade, like an idiot. Okay, we'll see what happens. No, I was muted. What do you mean, gotcha? I was muted. Add a new chart. There we go. Look how good that works. Go over here. Let's, I'm getting really good at this. Configure chart. No. I'm good, eh? Save. 5 minute. Save. Come to this chart. Chart templates. Open. 5 minute. There we go. Dismiss. We don't want Apple. We want to change the symbol. That's search symbol. Yes, of course. Search it. MGC. We're in the DC. There we go. I got the 5 minute gold. 43.72. Wow. Mike, I think what you said, I think I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to buy gold when I see a dip or something and then just hang on with my 3 micros. And you're not, well, I don't know how much they give you in the competition and how much they give you to lose, but that really seems that you like that's going to be the thing to do. Seriously. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Look at that. Let me save this. Let me save this layout again. So we're trading into a tight little wedge here on the 5 minute and NQ, which is also the previous day's close. Oh, Omnius, you missed everything. Then I was telling you that you have to remind me about the stuff to show you on the settings. And I sent you a Discord and I just wrote the words, remind me. To remind you to remind me. Well, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. $94. I'm short at 92. That's even worse. Maybe I should get out. Get out of 189. Come on, go back down to 89 and take me out of 1. I think you took me out of 1. Now let's fall to 80. I'll get out of the other one. Again. It's a week long. I'm a week long. I'm weak. I'm weak. I'm weak. I'm weak. I'm weak because poor entry. I'm being plagued with poor entries. And mostly it's my fault. There we go. I wanted to get out at 80. Now there we dumped down to 82. And in a second. 80, 50. Well, should have counted to 10. I always say it. Before you get out, count to 10. Most of the time, it's going to do better. Okay, join the ask. Let me see. Let me join the ask here. I'm getting a better price. Okay, and now sell market if it continues lower, and I'll watch for my stop. Hopefully, did we sweep anything? Yes, we did. We swept. We swept. You can't see it because of my order. I can't even see it because of my order. What time is this? The 6 p.m. low. Yeah, we swept the 6 p.m. low, so I wouldn't be surprised to see this run higher right now. Anyways, I'm going to play this one close to the vest. Hopefully we get another push lower. I'll add a one lot if I can see a short-term move lower. 86. If we go down to 80. Oh, so there we go. Sell. Now I want you to push a couple of bars. Let's go. Come on, give me a tumble like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, counting to 10 is supposed to do better for me. I counted to 10. As they say in Pretty Woman, work it. Only trading small size. It's the evening. Not going to put anything at risk in the evening. Although I do want to watch gold. Oh, this is the 1 minute. How do I change the time frame? Click on time frame. Minutes. Minutes. Let me go for 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. I put the 5 minute. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that gold chart. Actually, let me do minutes. Minutes, minutes, minutes. Well, my time frame. Minutes. Let's do a 30 minute. They put 45. They don't put 60. Wow, look at that move. Look at that move. Bottom left. That's gold on the 30-minute chart. Okay, so we took out the low over here at 6 p.m. and now we have 4 wicks down there so far on the 1 minute chart. Let's open it up a bit. Not looking good for my trade. I have about another 6 points I can go. It's a good thing I took a piece out. Hey, what are you doing? It's funny, I always said that this charting thing, it looks kind of operates very similar to Tradevate in my opinion, but it also runs quite a bit like TradingView. Oh, so close to getting stopped out. Now I'm stopped out. Okay. Down $30. Hey, Mike, I can make it back. 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 I'm laughing, but it's not funny. We wait for a setup. Wow, they're not giving me anything on the Heikin sheet charts, eh? Keep going just far enough to change the trend. Doesn't allow me to take a continuation trade. We wait. We wait. Anything on the Dow to do? Might have a trade on the Dow. I'll take, oops. Didn't want to do a 2-lot. But I won't, oh, come on. Anyways. Another late entry, sort of. The Dow trade would have done good. Would have made 16 points already. We'll work this one. If I lose on this trade, the next trade's a 30 lot. Right? That makes sense, eh? You go from 1 to 30. Oh, let me put gold back to the 5-minute. That's crazy. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want? Time frames. Minutes. 5. Okay, I'm out again. I don't know what I was at. I think I was down 30. Now I'm down 35. So that was just a $5 loser. Let's get set up for the next one. Maybe if I'm not sleeping at the switch, I can get in at a better price. $92 minus 6, that's 86. There's 86. Now I need a better price, 86.50. Let's go push up a little bit, 87.50. I'll take 1 point better if you can fill me. 87.75. There we are. Okay, let's get a little boost of momentum now. Turn me green.
Come on, push now. Do a nice push for us, yes.
Wow, why is he so quiet?
Push. Yeah, that was nice.
Take a little piece off. There. Let's go for another 83. Let's go to 80 bid. When I see 80 bid, I'm going to click. I'm shorted 87.75. 81 3/4 bid, 81 1/4, 81, 80.50. Good enough for me. Buy the bid. I'm out. Okay. Now we wait for the next trade. Yeah, I wanted to wait for 77. I should have. I wanted to wait for 77. You know what? I should have counted to 10. But look at those wicks on the 1 minute again. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little group, and now we're right at it again. That's why I wanted to wait for 77, but not more than that. We are breaking through them. Yeah, that could have been a nicer trade also. Always could do better. That's the thing. Hindsight. Wow, nice move. Look where we are. We're at 60 already. Shit, what did I get out of? I don't even remember. 83 maybe? 80? No, 80. I was saying that I kind of wanted 77. Now it's 17 points lower. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to chase. Well, at 6:30, VWAP really held, eh? It rejected off VWAP. It's going without me. It's okay. Tomorrow's a new day. There'll be new opportunities tomorrow if I miss this one. I really can't believe gold. I'm starting to think we're going to see 5,000 like before the year is up. 5,000, that's going to be a big, nice round number, eh? Let's short a one lot, and then we'll sell if I get some more continuation to the downside. I wish I had a place to put up the Project X charts also. Maybe I gotta move my laptop closer. See if I can figure out how to do that. Oh, there we go. Sell market. Boom, sell market. There we go. Nice little dump. Come on, keep going. No. Keep going, I said. Keep going. Two. Give me another 3 points from here. There we go. Cover one. Buy market because he didn't fill me. There we go. Okay. We turned green. That was a nice short. Even now you can go without me. I don't mind. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Thank you. I just made a mistake. But it worked in my favor. The size was wrong. That was a quick little bounce right there. Is this the bottom for this little dump? You know what? Let me see if I increase the 100. Let's see if it increases the font. Yeah, it does. It really, really does. 120. 120 works. I'm going to keep it at 120. Now I can see the numbers. That's cool. Oh, I lost my, there we go. Yeah, it looked like we're going to move higher from here. Volume, nothing spectacular, 38,000. I do have volume. I have it somewhere else. I didn't even know. That is funny. I accidentally, I don't even know how I accidentally did that. Doesn't even make sense. I accidentally hit the join the ask button. Well, markets are getting a little skittish. A little jumpy at 703. Wow, it's so fast. Hard to do anything. Mmm. What did I do? Besides making a stupid error. Mike, you're not paying attention. Okay, let's go down to 31. Come on, film me, you pecker. There we go. Okay, playing a game? I don't know. Is that a statement or a question? I made a mistake. I went long when the higher time frame was short. Statement. Is it a statement about me or about you? I don't want to know. Don't answer. What's again? Volatility's up to 15 points. Wow. Let's get a little bit of a move down. Let's go down to 32. Let's get down to 26. 28, 29. Wrong way, 32. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's take a break. Give my brain a rest. I'm not in rhythm with the market. And I think it's because I'm playing both sides. I'm going long and short. I think I need to narrow it down. Let's look for, it looks like a nice trade looking at the 5-minute chart. We pull up to 24,800 or 794, whatever that is, the previous day's close. And then rotate lower. That looks like a nice setup. We wait, we wait. Okay, I think I can say I am over trading with the chart that I have. I don't like it. It's going to lead to errors. It's going to lead to unforced errors. It's one thing when the market beats you, but it's another thing when you beat yourself. So once this trade is finished, I'm getting rid of the chart that I'm focusing on, which is a 3-point Renko chart, believe it or not. It's way too fast. Too much slippage, and that's why I'm getting in late. Sometimes 3 bars forms in like a split second. There's no getting in on the first bar. Hello, is K-Pop Demon Hunters. Hello, K-Pop Demon Hunters. You having a good game? Are you winning? Did you score a goal? Doesn't matter. Are you having fun? That's what matters. I'm not having fun. My ears are sweating from the headphones. We lost. That's okay. You'll get them next time. I heard they were bigger than you anyways. That's like cheating. They're a bunch of cheaters. Bigger players. There we go. Filled me. I'm good. I'm happy. Both our teams are way smaller than the rest. Both our teams? Oh, okay. I thought that was the girl talking, and I said, wow, she's on 2 soccer teams. That's impressive. Settings. Okay. Let's go back to 5-minute over here. Five-minute requires the 200 moving average. Indicator. EMA. Close. Hey, oh, there we go. What's it 9 for? Didn't I set it? 9, 200, high, offset 1. Default, set as default. I thought I did this already. Feel like I'm just doing the same work over and over and over all the time. Style, plot, 1, boom, 2. Defaults, save as default. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's true. Didn't I put it up on my chart also, the 200? That indicator. I mean, I know I saved them. Apply indicators. I don't know. I'm on drugs. 200, offset 1. Origin, I know I set them high. Create. EMA. 200, oops. 100, offset 1. Low. Style. Not red. White. Default color. Set as default. Set as default. Create. Be nice if it could remember this once in a while. And you added an indicator. It's not supposed to be difficult. Oh, we're slowly crawling back up. How about I delete an indicator? Is that somewhere? Is that doable? Oh, I see what we're looking at. EMA, EMA. Oh, okay. I see how it works now. Very good. That was easy. How do I get out of this big screen? Save. Anybody want to guess? Anybody want to make a bet that tomorrow they're not there anymore? The moving averages, they're going to disappear again. Add indicators. Apply. 200. Low. Style. Oh, look at that. The color's black now. Default color. Set as default. Set as default. Create. Again. Apply. 200. That was the low. This is the high. Style. Black. Make it white. Okay. Create. Close. We got the 200 over there. Ready to go. Let's take join the ask over here. Oops. Indicators. Let's see if they have fractals. Did I spell it right? No results? They don't have fractal? Oh, okay, Williams fractal. Apply. Style. Create. Close. Join the bid. Join the bid. Get me out of this trade. I'm not in the mood. Give me a break for a second. Oops. Okay, I'm back. What do I got to do? There we go. I don't know if I could use fractals because I think it's always going to change on me. Oh, I know how I could use them. If we got the fractals, first off, let's make them both white. If we got the fractals, the lower fractals and the upper fractals rising, we could be looking for long trades. And if we have them declining, we could be looking for short trades. So in that case, this one was already, hey, Sparky, say hello. Hello. Ouch, look, he's biting me. Cat abuse. I love you. Don't bite. Slowly, 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 slowly. You came to see me, remember? Remember? You came to see me. Here. Oh, go back in your bed. Let me give you a couple of cookies. Don't bite. Go back in your bed. Yeah, get excited. Come here. Here you go. There you go. Eat your cookies. Go to sleep. Do something useful. Don't knock over my drink. I'm going to be angry. Okay, so we're back up over there. We got that. We got that. Change this to 4 hour. We're back in business. Woo! That's a big mess. How are we doing? Let's just see. Well, not really good. Not really good. We could be doing better. No, no, no. Go away. We got a pretty strong support area at 670. We bounced off it a couple of times. I think 3 or 4 times already. Doesn't mean we'll bounce off it again, but something to keep in mind. And last but not least, change this to daily. EMA. Let's change this to 100 on the close. Let's change this to 200 on the close. Let's make it white, blue, and reddish. Settings. Let's make it bluish. Okay. And add one more, and we have the final setup. I hope it holds. Oops. What did I just do? Indicators. Is that over here? The FX indicators, moving average, exponential. Settings. Input. 50 on the close, white. Close, okay. Hide all the writing. And, yep, we got the 50 above the 100. Above the 200. That's a strong bullish trend until we see something different. We're going to assume that, did you take a short a few minutes ago? No, I don't think so. Not a few minutes ago. I've been working on setup again, and I got a terrible headache. I hope it saves the layout. It doesn't even show me if it saves the layout. Okay, we're good to go. Oh, let me check something. Okay, I'm back up and running. What do we got? We got a short on the 400 volume. Potential short. Yes, yes, yes. Lower, lower. Well, where do we set the stop if we take this trade? Hey, what's going on? Oh, okay. And apply. Wonderful. I got jammed up and I missed the trade. 40 to 28. Fuck off. I got the luck of the Irish today. I don't even know what that means. Okay, let's go back to editing that. Bear. Well, it doesn't change anything. I wanted to go short there. I missed it. Something tells me you ain't running. I don't know what that means. Oh my God. Wow. Something tells me I should go to sleep maybe. I mean, you miss any more trades than this? It's not possible. Okay, so I think I'm going to go without, I'm not sure. I was going to say, I think I'm going to go without the trend lines, but I kind of do like them also. Nah, I'm going to try without. Toggle trend lines, resistance. Toggle them off. Let's go off. There's too many of them. Well, we got a little bit of a base here since 7 o'clock. We keep stalling out at 730. 24,730. So this isn't a place to get, hey, Mr. DJ. That's me, Mr. DJ. It's not a place to get brave and take a short. Actually, if anything, it's a place to take a counter trend trade, but I'm not going to do that. My best case scenario over here really is is wait. My best case scenario is wait. Are you going to bed soon, Mrs. DJ? What time is it? 7:40. Wow. I've been streaming for over 20 minutes already. Yep. Got a nice bounce. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Why does it do it so aggressively? There was one. It's one mouse roll, and it's like moves it so much. What about these? Plus, minus. I don't know. Plus should add bars, and minus should take away bars, not the opposite. But anyways, so plus is less bars. Okay, that's what we have to think. We have to think opposite. Yeah, if you guys can see it over here, since I was saying that we had four mild reversals at this level over here at around 730. This Heikin-ishi bar over here could have been a good entry point. That's an interesting line. Maybe we would look for a break of that trend line. And once we get above it and hold, come back and get a retest. "24 seconds. This bar closes in 19 seconds. The most recent swing low or fractal is lower than the one before that. The high, they're lower. So let's take a small trade. 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I get entered in? There we go. I guess we'll use the we'll use that level there as our stop. Let's get out that drawing tool and shapes. Omnius came out, good idea. He said you do a rectangle from your entry to your stop. And if there's a midway line, you know where the 50% is. Is that the edit button? No, what the hell is that? Oh, that's copy. What the hell is that? I have no idea what that is. But that was interesting. I guess it means a copy. Yeah, I guess that's copy. This is a magnet. Change the color. Line type, thickness, start value, end value, anchor, none. Object color, label, color alignment, position. There's no midline. Ah, what a shame. And I don't need it. Wow. Okay. Nutter butter. Just take me out. Take me out of my misery. I'm chasing again. Well, that's what you get. Well, I'm only down $37. According to Omnius, that's break even. So I'm break even. What about here? Label. Is there an extension, alignment, position, size? Size normal? Position above? Above what? It's a trend line. No. You said it's a break even. I'm break even right now. Minus 37. At what point is it not break even anymore? Minus 40? Minus 50? We have a higher fractal low and a higher fractal high. So I'm thinking maybe we have a little bit of a reversal here. Let's see. I got caught in a chop. We're coming back down to the trend line. We broke the trend line. I like that trade. Join the bid. Of course, don't fill me by the market. Cancel my extra. Now let's go back. Let's go back up. But I gotta tell you, oh, great. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna write that down. Okay, what did I just write down? Wait for the trigger. I'm not a big fan, nor am I good at holding for a long time. So getting in early makes the trade a lot longer because you're guessing when the trade's going to go in your favor and you have no idea. So just wait for the goddamn trigger and get it going in your direction. And that's it. Yeah, it's so funny. I thought you were going to say you're going to be wearing pink tomorrow. Why, is tomorrow really no joke? Tomorrow's breast cancer day? Is that what you're talking about? I was going to say something, but it's not nice. It would be not nice to say. Okay. That's better. That was a beautiful trade, actually. That's a textbook trade. Broke the trend line, retraced into the trend line, a little bit of a bull flag there. Let me increase the size. That's with the minus. No, wait a minute. Minus is the opposite. Okay, minus makes it smaller. Okay, let's go that way. There we go. Let's make it big. Retrace back into the trend line, and then a continuation higher. Bull flag of 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. That was a classic entry. As men, we have to support. Yep, we have to be there to help. Okay, I'm down $90 on one of my Bulenox accounts, so I think I'm going to pass on that account for tomorrow. That's it. That's going to be my PDLL. I'll move on to another account. Because that is what got me to where I got. Taking small losses. Getting out. Coming back the next day. Like I said, free reset. Got a bit of a short trade on the Renko chart, but not sure I want to take it. What have we done? 11 points. Wow, didn't I say always on top for you guys? Why am I losing my brain here? It's funny, there's a lot of the range is high. ATR is 10. That's very high for 8 o'clock. And yet the bars are pretty stable. They're not that spastic. They're not that erratic right now. Snow, where? I forgot what state you're in. I always think, oh, slow. I thought it was snowing where you are. It's possible. It's October already. We've had snow pre-Halloween where we are. Not often. Happens probably about once every 6 or 7 years, but we have gotten snow pre-Halloween. It is slow, but it's not slow. I mean, it's pretty decent range. Let me do another drawing tool, vertical line. $354, 5, 6 right there. What do we got for the range? Crosshair on. 858. 150 points. That's not bad. That's actually pretty good for the NQ. And gold's moved about 20 points, even more than that from the low to the high. 635, 615. We got 43.54 to 43. I can't see because of that thing. I think it's like around 43.90. That's 40 points. That's not bad. $40 in gold in the evening. I gotta send out a couple emails tonight. That's a pain in the ass. Why does that one say 9 p.m. gold? 7:59 p.m. Well, we still have the previous day's close at 24,000. Looks about 790. We got VWAP at 770. Could be watching for those. Yeah, I think I'm going to stop on this account. This account in Bulenox is down $93. And if I take another loss, I might not be happy with the size of the overall loss. I'll just leave it. Let it reset on Monday. It'll be at 0 again. I won't see the minus 93 and I'll start trading it again. Let's switch accounts. You, Mr. Account. Are you kidding? You remember when, before last Friday? Shit, you'd come in, even at 8 o'clock, the markets didn't move more than 20 points from top to bottom. ATR was 2.83 or something, some ridiculous number like that. The ATR is still a healthy 9.39 right now on the 1 minute. That's on the 1 minute chart. That's impressive. An average range of 9 points on the 1 minute candles. But the funny thing is, there's not a lot of ticks. You know, it's like tick, 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 as opposed to as opposed to price flying around. Let me just take a one lot here. Yeah, of course, you don't film me until I buy market. Once I buy market, it falls. It fills me on the limit order. Go fuck yourself on this limit order. 8, 9, 10. That was 5 points. You make a big wick, huh? Are these Heikin-Ashi bars? I don't even know. Yeah, they are. Okay, I'm in high time frame guy. 8 to 1 minute. Yeah. Well, even high time frame. I gotta say, your ATR is probably higher than normal at this hour. What am I long at? 64, 68, 68.50, 68. Let's count to 10. 69.50. Forget counting to 10. 5 points. I'll be happy with my 5 points. Chip and chase. Howdy, Tiger. Yeah, I don't remember. Did you sign up? Discord here. Boom, boom. Yeah, you did. Tiger 2025. Up or down? For MNQ, I would say, well, we're below the previous day's close. We're below the 5 o'clock close. So I would say down. And me, I'm up $3 and a big $3.50 on one account. And I think I'm down 90 on another. I retired that account till Monday. 93.04. Yeah, so that account's going to sleep until Monday. I don't want to cause any more damage on that account and then feel like I need to make it back up, get back to it on Monday. Exactly what is the problem here? I keep changing the color. It doesn't change the color. Oh, Lord. Nice move higher. There we go. Gold is rocketing higher. Did you see gold? Almost hit 4,400. How crazy is that? I need to get more disciplined. I keep holding the losers and lose money that I made. Yeah, well, we're putting together a little group of disciplinarians. In the Discord, it's actually called, I started the channel today, it's called the Discipline Mastermind Group. 1, 2, 3, we're already 4, and for the first one, I don't want more than 4 people. But after we get it going for a couple of sessions, maybe, well, I wrote that here. The first few sessions will be limited to the first 4 people that reply. So we already got 4 people, and if it proves to be helpful, we'll open it up to more people, create additional 4-person groups. You know, so the idea is to meet inside the Discord, talk about your struggles, and, you know, people give their ideas on how to solve them. I have a lot of good ideas on how to solve, you know, quite a few mental issues, discipline issues. I can tell you them quickly right now if you're interested, if you want to see if you can put them into practice. And you can also go look at SMB Capital. They also, well, actually, most of my ideas come from either Dr. Steinberger or whatever, their psychologist over there, or from SMB Capital. So yeah, you're in the mood. Give me a thumbs up. You want to hear the spiel, the logic that I got from Mike Bellafiore, which works for me quite often. I mean, it's not 100% for me, unfortunately. Don't focus on the negative. So you wrote, I need to get more disciplined. I keep holding the losers. So you're not going to focus on stop holding the losers. Stop holding the losers. That is not the process that you want to build, because there's no plan around that. So you have to put a plan into practice based on something positive. A goal. So you're going to put a goal in. Let's say, I don't know how you trade, what you trade, what your size is, but let me just give you an example. Let's say you're targeting $100 and you like 1-to-1. So you're going to say that 1-to-1 is $100, but I'm going to bail when I'm down $80. I'm going to cut it by 20%. So you set yourself a positive goal. Also, you take one trade and you journal to see if you followed your plan. If you don't follow your plan, put a consequence, like you're not going to trade again tomorrow. Look, it's hard work. Nobody wants to do it. Everyone wants to do, I want to do whatever I feel like. And well, whatever I feel like doesn't work in the markets. You have to decide, do you want to trade successfully or do you want to do whatever you feel like? You know, we all have to make decisions. So create a positive goal, create a plan for achieving that goal. Journal, have a consequence if you don't, and wait, I just want to see something and I'll give you one other thing. I don't know, do you know about the clicker? Where the fuck is my cue card? Oh, there you go. Oh, here it is. You know about this guy? Clicker. Problem is with discipline, sometimes things get away from us without us even realizing it. And then after the fact, we're going, holy shit, how did that happen? Our brain isn't in the game. We're running on emotion, fight or flight. The thinking part of the brain, which is in the front of the head, kind of gets short-circuited by the emotional side. And that's actually a fact. If you listen to psychologists and stuff, your emotional side will short-circuit if you're getting emotional when you're in a trade, it will close down your thinking side and you will end up finding yourself saying something like, hey shit, how did that happen? So use the clicker. The clicker keeps your brain online all the time. So what I would say again is, if your stop loss is 100, when it gets to minus 50, click and call out, I'm down 50. I was doing that with my entries for quite a while because I was entering in too many impulsive trades. So I would click and I would say trade triggered, trying for a better price, because I always try for a better price when I'm disciplined. And if once I entered, I would click again, entry at, I would call out the price that I got entered at. People thought I was weird on the stream. After a while, I started to do it internally, you know, the calling out. But I would say, well, for a while out loud, entry at 766, targeting 84. So I would have those two things, and that ensured that my brain was online, that I was thinking through my trade and I wasn't running impulsively. So for something with a stop loss problem, what I would do is to make sure you got the clicker, mentally rehearse at minus $50 or halfway to your stop. You click, you say I'm halfway to my stop. When you get to 80% of your stop or 90% or whatever you want to do, or if you want to keep it at 100%, again, you exit first and then you click and reinforce the action. That's how they train animals, actually, with clickers. It reinforces the action, and it really works very well with discipline. You'd be surprised. Did I have slip-ups when I was doing it in the beginning? I certainly did. The first day it felt very weird. Took a while to get used to. After a while, I stopped wearing the clicker because I was executing so well. Sorry, I stopped using it. I just would wear it on my thing. It was a reminder. And now I don't wear it anymore, and I'm noticing that my entries are very poor. So you know what? Now that you talk about it, as of tonight and tomorrow, the clicker is back on the wrist. Do you have to use a clicker? No. It helps with me because, like I said, I found that my thinking brain was getting circumvented, and I was saying, hey, shit, what the hell just happened here? I wasn't noticing what I was doing while I was doing it. I wasn't self-aware, and you got to be self-aware in this game. Can't let emotions take over. Another thing that I always say, and I don't know, I think you may have heard it yesterday. I was talking to Mike. Imagine someone told you that you can only lose $100 a trade. Yes, I understand you're going to have slippage, but when it's down $100, for example, just an example, whatever your size is your size, but let's just use $100 for an example. When it's down $100, you have to exit the trade. If you do this all day long, I will pay you $5,000. This is your job. You don't care if I make money, or it's not your concern if I make money, if I lose money. It's only your job to enter me in the trade and to click exit when it's down $100. Yes, there will be slippage, but certainly I don't want to see you holding for $300 and $500 and adding. Now, if someone was paying you, first yesterday I said $1,000. If someone was paying you $5,000 a day to do that, do you think you would hold longer after it goes down $100? Would you hold longer? You don't get any money if he makes money. You don't get any money if he loses money. You only get money. You get $5,000 at the end of the day if you get out once it hits minus 100. Would you allow it to go farther? No, you wouldn't. You would stare at that fucking screen like a hawk. And as soon as it hit minus 100, you would get out. And at the end of the week, you would say, give me my $25,000 if he promised you $5,000 a day. So, of course, no one's going to pay you $5,000 a day for that. But the point is, it's all in the way you frame it in your brain. So find a way to frame yourself in your brain. To make sure you take care of the action. And actually that's one thing that I wrote down on my sheet too. Besides the clicker, I wrote down that I'm being paid to do a job. And not by the markets. I'm being paid by Mr. X. And Mr. X wants me to enter on my setup with the clicker. He wants me to call it out and he wants me to take my stops. And at the end of the day, he pays me $1,000. Whether the trades make money or lose money. It's just my job to execute. And that was helping also. It was helping a lot. So there are ways to handle this. There are logical ways that the brain can understand. And that's what the Discipline Mastermind group is about, you know? To cover these techniques and to make the people who are in it have accountability partners and responsible. And if we meet twice, you know, let's say if we meet twice a week, you're going to have to discuss your trades. You have to be honest. It'd be pretty stupid if you're in this group and you're lying. Otherwise, you're wasting your time and everybody else's time, but mostly you're wasting your time. You know, it makes no difference to me if you or anybody in the group is lying. The only person you're hurting is yourself by lying. You know, so if you got an ego and, oh, I don't want to tell them I fucked up. Well, okay. This isn't a game about egos. This is a game about making money. It's about performance. You leave your ego in the dressing room. Your job is to perform. And perform according to the rules. And if you're wondering if you have to follow rules, can't you play like, you know, can't you have like some rules and leave other rules to your decision, you know, to your discretion? I don't know if you can do it, but I found that the best traders in the world don't do it. And I find that when I don't do it also, and I follow all the rules, I do the best. Well, here's an example. Just got an entry at 73. Kind of going to try and get better and better fill at 73. Target is 80, 7 points. I got to get a better fill than 73. I'm going to try for 70. And if it goes to 80, I miss this trade. No big deal. This is a bus station. There's always another bus coming into the station. So there, you saw how I use the clicker. When a trade triggered at 73. If I wasn't talking to you, I could have actually had this Heiken Ashi bar. There's 84. It's way beyond my target. That was a trade that had a 73% probability of succeeding, and it's too bad I didn't get filled, but now that's it. Now we wait for the next bus. And that's another thing I was talking to about Mike. And Woodchip was saying it, and I'm saying it, even though I screw up. It's really easy to do. Hey, Omnius, you caught that? Cool, man. 12-point winner. Look how nice the Heiken SG right here called it. I didn't take it because I was staring at I was playing with my clicker. I'm not going to stream long today. Probably going to stop at 2 in the morning. That's it. I'm not going to do a long stream. Got a short in the Dow, but I'm not taking that. Omnius, when are you going to get yourself a clicker? Hey, when are you going to get yourself a clicker? Hey? Never. Omnius doesn't need a clicker. And the other thing, I think people always have to work on their game. He brings it in bed. You're still on the stream? Not a clicker type of a person. Oh, okay. We wait for our next setup. We got a little bit of a bull flag here, the way I call them. I got a higher high with the fractals. And now I have 2 lower highs on the 1 minute. So if we break the high of the previous candle, that could be an entry. I'm not going to take it. I prefer 4, 5, 6 bearish Renko bar, bearish Heiken Eshi bars before I'll enter another trade. There we go. Okay, so we took out the high of the previous candle. Yeah, maybe I'll just take a 1 lot. Nothing big. Let's see if we get filled. There we go, I got filled. I'll enter in my stop under the bearish candle. Is there a sell stop? Let's try it. Move, please. Okay, 5, 6 points already. Join the ask. 4 points now. Now it's going to come back down again. I missed my 5 points. Ah, this piece of shit software. You click sell stop and the fucking big black screen is still in your face. It doesn't go away. Yeah, what else is new? Okay. No big deal. Got me for a $10 bill. Could have had the $10 bill, but they got me for a $10 bill. What are we doing about this volatility? I take a trade and my stop is really close. What are we doing? Taking it slow? You got in on a trade over there? Long, I guess. Hmm. Boo-doo-doop. I didn't do anything. Why did my screen change? Did I caress my mouse? 18 seconds. Hey, let's put in a bracket order if I have time. Simple bracket. Take profit, stop loss. It's going to take me long. 20. Stop strategy, time of day, day, close, join the bid. There we go. Simple bracket. Let's try that for now. At least this way, if it jumps higher for 5 points for a second and I'm not paying attention, it's kind of looks like a bull flag pennant type of situation right here. Kind of looks like they're gonna stop me out and then go back up. But you know what happens if I'm gonna move my stop? Yeah, if I move my stop, what it's gonna do, it's gonna tank. So fuck you. You can have 5 shitty points if you take me out for 5 shitty points. Enjoy. Because there's gonna be times when it runs. Yep, that's it. Raise the TP. Because with this volatility, when it goes, see? You know what? I think I'm gonna do that also. I'll go for 11 points, 2 to 1, a little bit more than 2 to 1. Because when it goes quickly. It just comes to life. I'm going to move my stop quite a bit lower because we got the, I think this will be my last trade if it doesn't work out. That's a little bit farther down. We got the point of control over here for the evening session. So I'm thinking that should stop it. I'll set this a little higher also. Get another bullish candle. I'll add to the trade. You're not going anywhere. Take me out. I don't want to build another red count. Should have counted to 10. But I don't want to build week long. I don't want to build another red balance for tomorrow morning. I'll come back when markets are more tradable. Okay, I think I'm going to call it an evening. That's it for me. What time is it? 8:31? I'm good. I got some work I got to take care of. Yeah. Okay. Take care, Tiger. I hope the advice or the opinions I spewed were a little bit helpful. Point you in the right direction. There's also a book that's good to read, The Playbook by Mike Bellafiore. Just in case you're interested, take a look at Amazon, read a chapter or two. And I'll see you guys. I will be streaming again tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. Maybe I'll even try and start streaming at 7:15. I've been trying to do that now. I don't know if we'll succeed, but I'm going to try to do that. And I'll stream. That's it. It's true. Tomorrow's Friday. There's no evening stream. So tomorrow, take care, guys. I'll remember to wear pink tomorrow. I don't have anything pink. I'll have to wear something from my wife. Take care, guys.